All right, we are on day number 17 of the 2022 Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. As you can see, we've got all the other days here, but we're gonna go ahead and do number 17 here together. All right, trying to get this guy out. And it looks like we got a snowtrooper. Awesome. So this is gonna be a pretty simple one, I believe. I don't think I really need to look at that, but we will anyways. All right. That guy out. Trooper. Make sure legs go the right direction. And here we go. We've got day number 17 right there. We've got our snowtrooper. All right, so we'll be back tomorrow and we'll do number 18. We are rounding it out. Be right back.